We are going to draw this transfer fork in this video. So first you should see how the sketch looks like. So here it is. The dimensions are in inches. Okay, so without wasting any time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back here and then we're gonna say new English standard inches, and then we say create. We're gonna use a lot of rectangles here. Check here. So I'm gonna choose my drawing plan. This is my first rectangle, which is the frame of our transfer fork or our 3D. Okay, so we're gonna see here. So this frame here, okay, you can even go like that. That's frame. So you're gonna go step by step. That one should be 3.5. So 3.5, enter, and this should be equal to that 3.5 as well. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw this lower part. This is the lower part that I'm drawing, this part here. So I'm drawing the rectangle for this. The first rectangle was for that one. Now I'm going for this rectangle. So coming back here, this one here need to be 1.5. So 1.5 inches. Okay, from there I'm gonna do the upper part. So there we go. And this one here, this need to be 1.75. So 1.75. Okay, and each side I need to have 0.875. Yeah, so remember I'm having 3.5 there minus 1.75 divided by 2. I'm having that. Then I'm gonna have another rectangle in the middle. So this one here, okay, which is for that one, this part here. So that's one day. That need to be 0.75. Okay, so 0.75, which means each side I need to have 0.5 inches. Okay, so that is good. Okay, so now I need to give the dimension for this. So this one here need to be 1.25. So 1.25, enter. That is good. And I need to make sure that this one goes a bit slower, so down, so I can just say 0 so that it can touch down there. And once I have this, I'm gonna need this part here. I'm gonna need this one because the drawing that I just made is for this, so I need this part there. So this one here need to be a bit longer, so that one would be 1.75. 1.75. That is good. So now I have that. The next thing that I need now is down here. So I need this lower part. I need that. Okay, I need that. So coming back here, and yeah, coming back here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here now. I'm gonna come here and select this slot. Which one is better for me? This slot. So I'm gonna select this slot here. There we go. Okay, so this one here need to be 2 millimeters. So that needs to be 2 millimeters. Okay, and from there to here, that one need to be 0.75. Okay, and I think that's from there to there, that one need to be 1.75. Okay, so I have that one in place. So I have that, I have this. I need now to have this. As you can see, I need to have these lines there. So I'm gonna come back here. I draw from here up to there, again from there up to there. Okay, so that is good. I think I have everything. So I have that, and now I have this, I have that. That is okay. Okay, and I need now to draw this part here. So according to my drawing, that one day should be 0.5. So from, sorry, I'm gonna come back there. That one there should be 0.5. From here up to there, that should be 0.75. That is good. So now I'm gonna trim everything that I don't need. So I'm gonna start by this lot. I don't need this part, I don't need this one, I don't need that. Okay, I don't need all this, I don't need that. And coming here, I don't need this, don't need that, I don't need this, I don't need that. Okay, so here I don't need this one, I don't need that part, I don't need this, I don't need that, I don't need this, I don't need that part either. So inside here I don't need that, and I don't need this. What can I do? Let me select this one and say delete. Okay, so again I don't need this part here. Come on, let me come back here. See, that's wasting my time. So when I come there and say trim, I don't need that part. Okay, I don't need this part inside either. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna now go for 3D model. So I'm gonna come here, I say extrude. So now I'm gonna extrude this part. I'm gonna extrude this, I'm gonna extrude that and that, and then I think I should also extrude this part, that part, actually everything, that, okay, by 4 inches. Okay, by 4 inches. If you check here, it says 5, but now I'm extruding by 4 one side, and the other 1 inch I'm going to extrude the other side the other way. Coming back here, I'm going to say okay, then I'm going to turn it over like this. I'm going to come here and say sorry, I should come, sorry for that, I need to come here and say visibility on. So once the visibility is on, I'm going to come on 3D again, I say extrude. So I'm going to cut the part that I don't need. So I'm going to cut that part, this one, and that one. Now I'm going to cut it. Escape. I think I made a mistake somewhere there. So when I cut this part, that part, this one, and that one. So I'm going to cut by 3 inches. So 3. Then I have that shape there. I'm going to say okay. All right. Then again, I'm going to say extrude. I need to select that part, I need to select this, I need to select that one as well, I need to select that and that. I don't need this, I made a mistake by selecting, so I don't need to select that one, so I need this, that one, that one, this one, and that one. Now I need to extrude with 1 inch, so the other way, this other side, and then I say okay. So once I have that one there, the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come on visibility, I say visibility off. Okay, then here I'm gonna click there. So that's one, this one and that one by 0.5 inches, so 0.5. okay, then I have that one in place. Then I'm gonna come here. Once I come here, I'm gonna click there and say new sketch. So for new sketch, I'm gonna go with a rectangle. So there is my rectangle. Okay, and this one here need to be from there up to there. That's one need to be 3.5. So 3.5, enter. Meaning from here up to there, this need to be 0.75. So 0.75. That's good. And I need now to draw this hole here. So there is a hole, and this one here need to be 0.5, and from here to there I need to have 0.5. So 0.5, that is good. And from here to there I need to have 1.25. that is correct. Okay, so now that I have this in place, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in 3D mode. I say extrude, so I'm gonna cut this part and that part. Okay, but now to make sure that I cut the whole thing, I'm gonna go with 9 inches. Then I'm gonna turn it like this. I'm gonna make sure that it goes all the way through, and then I say cut. Then I'm gonna say okay. So this is how your drawing looks like. It took a bit of time, but it was worth it. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself, but before that, I'm gonna choose the material. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say there I come, I say gold. Gold always looks good. So take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share if you have to, don't forget to like. So see you on the next video. Bye.